No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot.
Alright guys, last time we were here, we said we'd get the front done, and now we're really getting moving. We're seeing how the lights would look. Alex got this done. He added the base plate down here.
So y'all saw the mock-up of how this might end up looking. You were saying that we can take this off? Because it's...
This is the housing. I don't know if we really need it, but we're just going to take it off.
We got a welder, dude. We can weld anything back on. This is kind of good because this is already fucked up.
Yeah. Just going to finish the job.
Sorry. Welcome to MTV. I love madre.
MT1. Alright, welcome back to day 69 of working on this car. Today.
I like that.
Today
Day 69. No mames.
Today we're
Fucking
changing the radiator, and we got the up pipe for the truck. Damn. This little thing here will make the truck run. That's big.
That's what she said.
Thanks. Wish I could say the same about you. Oh, I think it goes like this way.
Damn.
Damn.
What a piece of American engineering.
Yeah. Oh, please fit. Oh, yeah, dude. Dead. Oh, dead. Oh, dead.
Thought it
Look, dead.
fits like a glove, huh?
Oh, dead.
Is that?
Bite?
Hey, no, get the. You shit. I'm fuck that. That would have.
Oh. Did you get that?
These hood dogs are fucked up, man. Dude.
I've seen you run. I've never seen you run that fast.
Hell no, dude.
So,
Out with the old, huh?
out with the old and with the new. Should be quick. All we gotta do is just transfer one thing to the other.
Alright guys, we got the radiator installed. We got it to fit perfectly. and we had to weld it in. Well, we had to weld the original bracket in just so it'd hold for now. We're still not sure if we're gonna keep it, but for now this will do. So the car can be drivable. But it did take all the overhead off of it, which we did have.
Yeah, we had a lot of shit.
And now we just have more room, so.
When somebody touches my neck. It still works though.
Guys, I don't know if you can tell how bright it is on picture, or or if even the camera will pick it up, but it's stupid bright. Like, it's ridiculously bright. Here, try it. Like, just these two lights here, these pod lights are bright enough, let alone with this thing in the bottom. Like, it blinds the camera. Like, you can't see anything.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we can tint them black.
Yeah, they are a little bit too bright, but we'll see. We'll figure out. If the cops pull us over, then we'll, I don't know.
We'll be like, yo, this is how I got the car.
From the dealer.
From the dealership, what is it?
So yeah, guys, we're gonna call it a day for today. We installed the lights and everything, we even fixed the front. It was a little bit crooked, and we almost messed it up, but we saved it. So we're able to save it. Alex was able to save it. So
you had the idea.
So now everything is straight. Everything is perfect how we wanted it. Remember the original version?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is sick. It's coming out sick, and yeah, that'll be it for today, though, guys. So next video we'll install what, the backlights?
Yeah.
What else we got going on?
The blinkers.
The blinkers. Yeah,
the blinker and the mirrors, and then we can drive it.
The mirrors, yeah, and then we'll start driving it. Once we're able to drive it, we're gonna go get it registered, put it under insurance.
Your name.
Yeah, and then
Junior does not have a car. I'm sorry.
This is actually my car.
This is actually his car now. It's like Brian O'Connor and Too Fast and Furious. You owe me a 10-second car.
I owe you a 10-second car.
I think it was when he was getting the Super. He's all like, yeah, I told you 10-second car, not a 2-minute car or something. He's like, pull the hood. Pull the hood.
This is your car.
My car? I said a 10-second car, not a 10-minute car.
No faith.
Oh, I have faith in you, but this isn't a junkyard. This is a garage.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
To Jay-Z.
What hood? What that one?